Hello, this is a short information video on our 2018 HYUNDAI TUCSON. It's a 1.7 diesel and it's an automatic, and it's the SE version. Finished in a lovely cherry red, which is a metallic colour. We're just going to take a walk around the car, paying particular attention to the excellent condition of the paintwork in the car and the alloy wheels. So just down along the driver's side. Around the back of the vehicle. So the car is on a UK plate at the moment, but once it's bought, and it will revert to an Irish plate. And all prices on our website are inclusive of VAT and delivery. And as you can see, the car also has reversing sensors. This Tucson has a very large boot space, and then you have the touring cover here to pull back and cover up your valuables. Carry on our look down along the passenger side here. Again, another alloy in excellent condition, tyres in great condition, and down along the metalwork of the car. Look around the front. As it's the SE version, it has roof bars on it as well, and these are finished in a nice chrome finish. And at the rear, a sharp fin area. Back at the Tucson is not found wanting either. It has reclining seats in the rear, ISOFIX, pull-on armrest, its own air supply, and huge legroom in the back. Into the door card, and you have your electric windows in the rear. There's door card in excellent condition, along with your electric windows front and rear and electric door mirrors. Driver's seat is a manual height adjustment with a lumbar support. Finished in a nice velour finish. So this Tucson has only 29,058 miles on it. It offers road tax of €270 per year, and it will give you over 55 miles to the gallon. It's a lovely driving 1.7 litre diesel, and as I said, fully automatic. So just having a look at it here, you have your dual climate control, USB, iPod, double power point here. You go onto the screen, you have a full colour reversing camera with sensors at the rear, and you also have satellite navigation. The car has automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On your steering wheel here, you have, excuse me now, 1 second, you have cruise control and speed limiter. Then you have your voice activated Bluetooth over here, and your radio CD control. Over here is your satellite navigation. It did say CD, obviously this is a 2018, so it doesn't have a CD, it is a USB to be able to download your music onto. So that's our 2018 1.7 litre HYUNDAI TUCSON SE DCT, fully automatic. The car only has 29,000 miles on it. And for further details on this car, please give us a call on 091 38 3000 or have a look at our website. And please do call out to have a look at our wide range of cars, all held here indoors at Cunningham AUTOPOINT. Over 50 used cars indoors, which is always a help in Galway with the weather conditions. Thanks again for watching.